Hello my friends and welcome back to the channel. Today we finish the work we began last week. We have to close this part with this, like that. But we have to put this exactly inside here. So I have to take a correct line here under, make a sign, cut the excess of wood, make clean here and here, then apply this. Easy to say, not so easy to do. Comment, like and subscribe. Start the work. First of all, we have to cut this little bit longer than what we need here. Then we have to keep this in this position and with the cutter make the line. And this is tricky. Okay. And now I start to cut. Yeah. Okay. Here it is a little bit broken, so later I will put some very little pieces of wood in order to repair. You see, it's missing parts. But here there is something they don't like. Okay. Done. Now I glue by one side with a couple of nails. Then, okay, I glue like this. Then when it's dried, I finish. Okay. Done. I leave it here. Tomorrow morning we can bend. There's a little problem here, and about this I think it is better to do this. Create a regular space here inside. Then cut a little piece of wood from this. Let me see if it's enough. Better a little bit longer. Okay. Then finish. So this profile will be perfect. And for today, once again, this is all. Our boat is a little bit better, but it's not finished. Next work, sand it down under. Here there's this space. Follow the line, sand it down and make it perfect. then we can consider how to finish this part. But before, I have to finish the side. These are holes to be finished. This is to be sanded a lot. Lot of work, my dear friends, but this is a fantastic world. Wood is fantastic. Comment, like and subscribe.